दूसरी बात होती है कि आप उसके साथ पॉलिटिक्स मिक्स नहीं कर सकते. यू कैन मिक्स पॉलिटिक्स विद इट. देन इट गेट्स रियली डेंजरस. It gets really dangerous. Watch one more caller. Kancha Ilaya. Hear the viewers tonight. Okay.
No. Can I just say one thing? The Supreme Court Chief Justice just appointed said that there should be reservations in judiciary the other day. Now, does the Allahabad High Court remove him from his Chief Justice post? Now, this kind of judicial activism, which does not look at the caste structure of India, which does not look at the caste oppression of India, how it operates in politics, how it operates in day-to-day life.
No.
If they give judgments like this,
I want to ask you. You know, this problem is, for example, Mr. Naresh Agarwal. Mr. Naresh Agarwal, बुरा मत मानिए, मगर ये कंपेटिटिव पॉलिटिक्स आप इतनी तरह से कर रहे हैं कि आजकल एक कुछ मैंने सुना 26 अप्रैल को 26 अप्रैल 2013 मुलायम सिंह एड्रेस्ड हिज ओन, इट वाज कॉल्ड प्रबुद्ध वर्ग सम्मेलन. प्रबुद्ध वर्ग सम्मेलन. जरा हमें बताइए कि प्रबुद्ध वर्ग सम्मेलन क्या था.
देखिए
नहीं, क्या था?
इस बात को मैंने पहले भी कहा.
क्या था?
नहीं, आपकी बात सुनिए. मैंने पहले भी कहा. मैं आपके शॉर्ट में एक लाइन कह देना चाहता हूं. जैसे मैं वैश्य समाज में पैदा हूं, मुझे गर्व है मैं वैश्य समाज में पैदा हूं. मैं वैश्य समाज के लोगों को इकट्ठा करके राजनीति में प्रेरित कर रहा हूं, और जिस दिन वैश्य समाज को राजनीति में लाने में सफल हो जाऊं, मैं समझूंगा मैंने जन्म सही
नरेश जी, आप मेरे सवाल का सीधा उत्तर दीजिए. ये प्रबुद्ध वर्ग सम्मेलन क्या था?
लेकिन जो मैंने देखिए, मुलायम सिंह जी ने गोरखपुर में जो सम्मेलन किया, इंटेलेक्चुअल पढ़े लोगों का सम्मेलन था, जिसको हिंदी में प्रबुद्ध कहा जाता है.
वो क्या है? ब्राह्मण सम्मेलन.
लोग भी थे, डॉक्टर भी थे,
ब्राह्मण सम्मेलन क्या था?
ब्राह्मण नहीं था, प्रबुद्ध.
व्हाट इज प्रबुद्ध वर्ग? ट्रांसलेशन कीजिए मुझे, मेरी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है.
इंटेलेक्चुअल जो लोग पढ़े लिखे थे, उन लोगों को बैठाला गया और उन लोगों ने अपने विचार व्यक्त किए.
तो उन्होंने ये क्यों नहीं
कह देना चाहता हूँ कि
उन्होंने ये क्यों कहा ब्राह्मण सच्चे समाजवादी हैं, और ब्राह्मणों ने
सही कहा, गलत
फ्रीडम मूवमेंट को लीड किया. ब्राह्मणों ने हमारे देश के फ्रीडम के लिए फाइट किया. आपके आज के भारत के इंडिपेंडेंस स्ट्रगल को भी कास्ट लाइंस पे डिवाइड करेंगे. और दूसरी बात यह है नरेश अग्रवाल जी, एक मिनट, संक्षिप्त सवाल है, छोटा सवाल है. ये सवाल है कि अगर कहा जाए कि दलित समाज को हम एकजुट करते हैं, वी ब्रिंग द दलित कम्युनिटी टुगेदर सो दैट दे कैन फाइट फॉर देयर राइट्स एंड दे कैन बी पॉजिटिव डिस्क्रिमिनेशन और अफर्मेटिव एक्शन, उनको उठाया जा सकता है. तो आप मुझे ये कहिए कि आजकल ये कंपेटिटिव पॉलिटिक्स ब्राह्मण कम्युनिटी के पीछे क्यों हो रही है? इसमें सोशल एजेंडा क्या है?
खाली ब्राह्मण समाज नहीं, देखिए, नहीं कोई, मैं नहीं मानता कि खाली ब्राह्मण समाज की राजनीति से समाज में अधिकार मिल जाएंगे. इस देश में जब आजादी देश में जब आजादी की लड़ाई लड़ी गई थी, तो गांधी जी और लाजपत राय जी के पीछे सारा वैश्य समाज खड़ा था.
आप आज भारत के फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल को भी कास्ट एंगल देंगे. आप भारत के फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल को भी कास्ट एंगल देंगे.
रियलिटी है ये जो. जी हाँ, ये हुआ, सत्यता है. इसको आप इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते. आप एडवांस, आप यू में भी एडवांस, लेकिन जो जीवन की सत्यता है उसको स्वीकार करना चाहिए.
इट इज द रियलिटी.
इस देश के इतिहास को आप मिटा नहीं, इस देश के इतिहास के.
माय नेक्स्ट कॉलर, वन मोर कॉलर, टू मोर कॉलर्स. नरेश अग्रवाल जी, दिलीप, मिस्टर दिलीप is calling from Delhi. Dilip, good evening. This is Arnab here.
Good evening, Arnab.
Arnab.
Yes.
Am I with you on the debate, please?
Yes, you are live. Go ahead. Speak your mind.
I would like to ask these respected gentlemen who are participating in the debate that my understanding is very clear that casteism leads to communalism, communalism leads to corruption. Are these gentlemen from the various political parties not aware of this, that they have to keep on flaming the fan of casteism? Why these respected gentlemen and their political parties don't emphasize on education, health programs, social
exactly
security, right? Why they are not doing this? Why they are misleading?
Prakash Javadekar wants to respond to you. Mr. Dilip, do stay on the line. Prakash Javadekar says he wants to reply to you. Go ahead, Prakash Javadekar.
No, not I actually appreciate Dilip, and I want more and more youths and all citizens to be like this, that not only in political behavior, even in their personal and social life, nobody should behave on the caste line. That
Sir,
is
you
where
tell me
we
today,
have to take the
you tell me
society
today you will
so
stop
that-
Brahmin
so
rallies.
that-
Sir, you tell me today, whatever viewer asks you, okay, fine, Mr. Javadekar, thank you for your suggestion because you push it back to society and people for everything. You tell me today that from now your party will not have Brahmin rallies, Kshatriya rallies,
don't
Dalit
hold-
rallies, this rally, that rally, and you will do only rallies on development because I thought you're
don't
fighting the next election on development. Where did caste come in?
Yes.
Where did caste come in?
So we are not organizing caste rallies. We have not planned for caste
You want
rallies.
me,
Absolutely
you want me
not.
to give you the list of caste rallies the BJP has organized? Next caller coming in, and that's Kailash. Kailash is
No,
calling
we
in
are
from
not.
Mumbai, I think. No, we lost. Krishna is calling in. We have callers from the entire country who are calling into the Times Now newsroom. Krishna is calling in, I think, from Mumbai. Krishna, good evening.
Yeah.
From Dubai, sorry, from Dubai. Go ahead, Krishna.
Yeah, hi, good evening. I'm watching your channel and I respect it fully to all the politicians on board. I think it's only the general public and the common man like me who seems to understand that it's only about India first. No religion, no caste, only the flag and our anthem.
Yes.
And that is what needs to be done.
Well, Krishna, that's succinctly put. That's as directly put as possible, which is why I want to ask. Which is why I want to ask Kancha Ilaiah that Kancha Ilaiah, you always have been saying casteism is a conspiracy of the higher castes, and today you have political parties mobilizing higher castes as well. You know, how long do you want to continue with this? And 1 minute, please understand. And I have just got one message, and this message comes from Krishna Bhupati. This is Mahesh Bhupati's father, Krishna Bhupati, who says, I am a villager as old as independent India. My parents, born in the early years of the 20th century, never allowed us to know caste. The next generation, of course, has no idea whatever. We sincerely hope India and Indians will be allowed to forge ahead without any caste discrimination. We sincerely hope, but the ball is in your court. The ball is in your court now. It's in the political parties' court. It's in the court of the political parties.
No, but Arnab, can I just respond to what you said?
Political parties have not created caste.
Well,
Let us understand.
I will put on air and disclose all the rallies that political parties, the meetings, the teams, the groups and everything that political parties have done through caste. It will be an encyclopedia. And then you can ask yourself whether political parties have created caste or perpetuated caste. Next call.
Arnab.
No,
Arnab, just a minute. Arnab, just a minute. No, Arnab, just let me ask you, Arnab.
Yes.
What is wrong if political parties organize caste meetings, if they could organize class meetings, if they could organize women's meetings separately, if they could organize workers' meetings separately? Caste is an identity. Caste is a factor where you see that this is the group, this belongs to this. Now, the court can come in and say that if somebody has instigated violence, that should not be happening.
You are mixing things up.
What is wrong
You are
with
mixing
political
things up.
parties?
Professor Ilaiah, I have tremendous regard for you, but with greatest of respect to you, you are mixing things up. You are mixing up. You are mixing up two things. You are mixing up two things. You are mixing up two things. Professor Ilaiah.
Listen. When India is a country of caste, when caste is mentioned in Rig Veda, and caste is mentioned in all...
Two more callers.
Texts, and caste is categorically divided in Manu Dharma Shastra.
This is 2013, sir. Sir, this is 2013, sir.
Isn't...
This is 2013.
Yes, in 2013.
Yeah.
Matrimonial supplements are getting started.
Yeah, and intercaste marriages are also becoming more common. And inter-community marriages and inter-religion marriages are good. Let's wake up to the reality of the new India.
That is very good.
Don't give us outdated logic in 2013.
Certain
What is
realities.
the court doing?
I put the one more caller on, and that is Girish. And Girish is calling also from Bangalore. Good evening, Girish. I'm in a minority on this debate, but where do you stand?
All metro callers.
Good evening, Arnab. I'm a big admirer of your aggression. Despite being a welcome judgment, I feel the political parties have made a big mess of it. As you rightly said, we need to talk about development rather than splitting the country into caste and all that. Because 66 years after independence, we've not reached anywhere, and there's a big brain drain happening in this country, and that's what we need to address.
Absolutely, Girish, can't agree with you more, but complete minority we are on this one. And Sankarshan, what do you mean? What do you mean urban callers? What do you mean urban callers? What do you mean? What do you mean? Are you acknowledging? No, no. What? You are acknowledging, therefore, that caste does not exist in the cities.
To say nothing has happened in 65 years.
Sankarshan, the phone lines are open.
We were not sitting and doing this.
Sankarshan, you are completely aware, but you are denying the reality today, which you know as a journalist about how political parties mobilize on caste. My question to you is, do you believe or not?
20 years.
Do you believe or not? I don't want to get in a rhetorical debate with you, Sankarshan, but I want to ask you fundamentally a very basic question. Do you agree or not?
I think
do you agree or
fundamental misunderstandings about who we are.
Do we
Indians can subsume many kinds of identities together at the same time.
It's about time. It's about time
to ban any kind of
it's about time. It's about time that our identity becomes an Indian rather than a caste.
Tomorrow you'll say Dalits cannot have rallies.
I am saying it's about time we define our religion, our nation.
The rule of law. It is not fanning sentiment which is inflammatory.
Sankarshan,
any gathering cannot be disallowed.
You are telling me, there are two fundamental. You are telling me, and just 1 minute, you are telling me this is the reality of this country, and politicians like this reality, they can exploit the reality, and this reality will stay. And what I'm saying is, this reality of this country could have changed if 23 years back. If 23 years back,
is quite another matter.
If 23 years back, caste had not been reinforced in the mindset of young Indians through a divisive political campaign.
Talking about
that becomes, and what has been happening to the other backward castes before that, we pay no heed to that at all.
Well,
how the other backward castes were treated before Mandal came in.
Sankarshan, why
I am an upper caste, I am in power, so let me not give any
Sankarshan, we're taking one more caller.
That's an absurd argument.
Caste mobilization.
Okay, Mr. Syed Narula is calling from Dubai. I think I have the name right. Yes.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, Mr. Arnav, first of all, congratulations for such a program you're arranging. I have just simple point now. It should not be just caste-based rallies. No remark on any caste or religion in any rally.
Should be banned.
No remarks on any caste or religion in any rally by any political party or organization. For that, I have one small suggestion. There should be judiciary should appoint a body which will record all the speeches of all the regional, national and parties and organizations, and if anything found wrong, they should be booked.
Absolutely. Well, I leave this thought with all our viewers today. And I admit today, at the end of this debate, as I take a break and go to the second, that Prakash Javadekar, Sankarshan Thakur, Kancha Ilaiah, and with all the other panelists, I was in a complete minority. Our callers have not been. I leave this question in your court. What do you think? In this country, where would you like yourself, your children, and their children, and your grandchildren to live in a country where caste is a divisive factor or where caste is extinct? That question goes to you. I'm back after a short break on debate number 2 on the News Hour Tonight.